Yo, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a 1 soul to 1000 soul trading challenge, and this is day 1, so let's get started. So this is a derivative to a coin, white gold music. It was about like 40k, so I just aped this. I was just holding because I think it can do, at least a 2x. It's going up a little bit, getting a bit of motion. And then I thought it was dying, so I just sold. And now, there's a coin called Generational Piss, which is at like 140k. So I saw this coin called Generational Shit. I was waiting for a dip, but I didn't really get one that I wanted. And it had so much volume, I just aped in that mini dip. In my opinion, this was like a really free play, because if Piss is at 140, 100k, this has to do good. Here, one of my friends aped it too, and we're both just holding this. Now here, I clip 50%, and then 25%. And then here's when I thought that it was basically capped, so I just got out at this top right there. And then I slightly regretted it later because one of my tracked wallets bought it. It was a KOL named Alan. But even after this, it still didn't go up. And then here is Generational Goon, another beta play. I just aped it immediately. I didn't wait for a dip because it was like really funny and it was related to Piss and shit. So here he's getting a little bit of motion. Clip 50%. And then after that, slowly just died. Everyone got clippy, and then I just sold 100%. We're up like 0.2 now. And then here is Trench Fund. It was the first group chat on the Pump Fund app after Elon just tweeted it, or Pump Fund just tweeted it. So like 0.2. I was trying to hold, but everyone was just cheating for some reason, even though it was a good narrative. And then it started to retrace, and I got in just about back on my entry. And then now it started to send a little bit. Just clip 25%. Another 25. Got top filled, which is nice. And then I full clipped it. Made 0.085 because I lost a bit on it before. And then here, there was a guy who got choked by the police, and it was like George Floyd. So I ate this funny beta play called I Can't Breathe, because there's a coin called Breeze, which is at like 40 mil. And there's like a bunch of metas around it, so I thought this was funny. I got bottom filled, but then I had no motion, so I just sold. Anyways, that's it for the video. Made 0.34 today. It was a pretty slow day, but tomorrow I'm hoping to get it to like 3-4 soul at least. And make sure you guys join Royal and use the Axiom link and buy for 10% off fees, and see you.